Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and old people smell. I don't care if I never get back. Let me root for heartwarming orphans. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's a ball of earwax, semen, and toenail clippings at the old ball game. All I need is the Kool-Aid Man. I could hit a home run. There isn't anyone else like me. Maybe I'll go down in this sad hang job. And it's root for Daniel Radcliffe's delicious asshole. Here comes fortune and fame. 'Cause I know that I'll be pretending to care at the old ball game.